Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your finances and general guidance energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Aries, so let's look at into your finances and general guidance for the month of July 2021. Also, Aries, please note that this is a general collective energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Aries, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's start with your reading here, Aries. Okay, so the first thing that I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries, with this Eight of Swords and the Nine of Swords energy coming up here, I'm getting a very strong anxiety coming up for you here, especially regarding your finances, and in general in your life, I would say here, Aries. Now I feel like this particular energy of the anxiety, frustration, trouble sleeping, sometime here you might also be like feeling trapped or feeling stuck within your situation or within your life here, Aries. And I feel like this is something that has been happening for quite a while, and this is just the continuation of the energy since few months ago. It seems like you have been carrying this energy for quite a while, and you're also still carrying this energy coming to this month of July. Here is also another thing that I'm getting here. Now, one thing that I've got coming up for you here, Aries, with this Eight of Cups coming up here, the number 8 is coming up quite significantly. But other than that, here with this Eight of Cups energy coming up here, I feel like some of you here, Aries, has been considering here on leaving your current job or leaving your current career field here, I would say, because I'm getting a very strong energy of walking away is what I'm getting here. Now, because of this anxiety and feeling stuck and feeling trapped energy is what I'm getting here, I feel like some of you here is also not really feeling good. You don't get that emotional satisfaction, you don't get that emotional stability in your job is also another thing that I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries. So it's like I'm getting a very strong energy of suffocating. So it's like as if you're being suffocated wherever you are at this point of time here in your work, and also like in your general life here. Now, another thing that I've got coming up for you here is that with this Hierophant or with this High Priest energy coming up here, now this is going to be for a specific group of you here, Aries. I'm getting a very strong teacher energy coming up here for you. Now, some of you here, I feel like Aries are meant to be a teacher, and by teacher here I'm directly referring to like being a teacher in school, high school, and also like being a lecturer of some kind here. But some of you here, Aries, also being a teacher in a sense that of helping people and guiding people in their life. So, for example, like a counselor, therapist, like something like that here. For those of you who are currently looking for a new job, who are like actually thinking of leaving up your current job and going for a new job here, this Hierophant energy, I'm also getting like some sort of like an institution based energy is also another thing that I've got here. So I feel like this is might be somewhere you could actually try to apply, somewhere you could actually like look up, and if you see any job opening within a certain institution that you want to go here, I would suggest for you here to apply for that here also, Aries. I've also got the Two of Cups energy coming up here. I'm getting a very strong friendship energy and partnership energy coming up for you here. Now, honestly, for you here, Aries, I'm getting this specifically here for people surrounding you. So I feel like there might be some people surrounding you here, Aries, that you could actually trust. And this is also another tricky energy is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries. Like, you need to trust your intuition onto this here. Yes, you are not supposed to tell everyone about your dream, about your manifestation, because we never know what kind of energy that they will be putting towards you and towards your dream. But at the same time here, with all of this confusion, with all of this anxiety, feeling trapped, and I'm getting like a very strong stressful energy and anxiety energy coming out from within yourself. And I feel like this is the time that you actually need to open up here, Aries. And if you feel like you can open up here to your best friend, like to your family member, like a mother or father figure, I would say definitely go ahead for that. Another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Aries, I've also got the Two of Swords energy coming up here, like I said, feeling confusion energy is another thing that I've got coming up for you here. So try to open up with yourself here, and if it's possible, if you could trust, if you could, like, no, okay, this person is someone that I could really trust, just call them and talk to them. Basically, you need to share all of this burden that you've been carrying within yourself here. Now, looking at your financial situation and your money, career, and in your general energy here, Aries, with this Knight of Pentacles energy, stability is definitely coming towards you. It's just that it might be moving out in a little bit of slow manner is what I'm getting here. Now, looking at the challenges that I've got coming up for you here, Aries, I've got a very strong polarity energy comes up here. Integrate to your shadow side. There can be no light without dark. Understand the law of polarity. So I feel like this is where you need to understand yourself. This is where you need to understand your emotion. I feel like you have been carrying so much of your burden, so much of the baggages within yourself here for quite a while. And if you keep on doing that, if you keep on carrying all of these baggages and all of this burden within yourself here to at one point of time here, or like after a certain time period here, you're just going to drop here, Aries, because you're not supposed to be carrying all of those baggages and all of those burden alone by yourself here. So I feel it's time for you to open up yourself. If you are not comfortable in talking to other people, if you're not comfortable in talking to, let's say, your friends or your family here, start a journal. Write down to yourself here what are the emotions that you're feeling, what is basically going on within yourself here. So write it down and then start from that. Now, looking at the guidance, the spirit guides message and the general guidance that I've got coming up for you here, I've got innocent coming up here. Take time to play, nurture your inner child, live with a childlike sense of wonder. So this is also another thing going hand in hand with these challenges that I've got coming up for you here. Inner child. So I feel like this is something that you also need to be focusing on here as well here, Aries. Nurturing your inner child, healing your inner child is something that you need to be focusing on here this year. And with this childlike sense of wonder, and then I've also got receive coming up for you here as well. Be open to receive goodness. Believe you are worthy of abundance. A gift is coming to you soon. So you need to believe within yourself here first that you actually deserve to get all of this manifestation, all of this dream that have been trying to manifest onto your life here. Imagine this, when you are telling a little kid here, hey, I'm sending you something, or hey, this is there is going to be a prize coming up. You could sense that excitement coming up from them here. So this is how you also need to, moving forward here, set your mindset into, you need to start living with that excitement that, okay, this is it, like my manifestation is coming, my all of these dreams is actually starting to come into my life here. So you need to come from that particular mindset, from that particular excitement here, Aries. That's it for your reading on your finances and on your general guidance situation. I hope the reading resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.